Hey, it's Ryan. Just wanted to reach out to you and let you know how to use list reports a little bit more effectively. Really, what we're doing is we're jumping in there and we're searching for specific agents and following them. And so these are the ones that you wanted to target, the ones that you wanted to go after, the ones that you really want to work with. And then you'll get morning updates on them when anything important happens in their business. So this morning, I just got an update about a listing agent having a new listing, and then they give you a little statistic about how often they're average that they're on their listings. And so I just jumped into list reports. I look up the information under their name, and I see that there is 2 new listings for her. So I recorded a quick, like 15-20 second video, send it to her, congratulate her on her new listings, and then I am in her face as her listings go live. And we're regenerating this every day. So every time I get an Agent Intel update, it's triggering me to go into Agent Intel and make sure that I'm sending those update and those congratulation emails. Hope that helps as a little tip to gain some traction with some real estate agents.